We are fighting for parental rights.
Monica Radico is part of a group of parents backing a lawsuit filed against Chippewa Valley schools after the school district sent this letter informing families that a mask requirement would go into effect on January 12th and end next month on the 4th.
We've been mask optional since September.
Radico admits her family has battled COVID.
We've had COVID twice.
But she believes wearing a mask should be optional.
I pulled my kids from school for these 3 weeks because my son, when I told him that he had to go to school in a mask, he was in tears.
The attorney who filed the lawsuit against the district this week on behalf of his client says the superintendent does not have the authority to institute a mask requirement.
In this situation, which is a superintendent, he has executive authority under his position, who is promulgating a law. He's creating a mask mandate. That's the legislative branch's job to do. We want the court to issue declaratory relief saying that you can't do this.
Fox 2 reached out to the school district to request an interview. The school board president said in a statement that unfortunately we do not comment on pending litigation. Officials from the superintendent's office did not comment either, but instead sent Fox 2 the letter issued to families, in which the superintendent said as more and more students and staff members test positive for COVID, the school district will require all K through 12th grade students to wear a mask in school, on the bus, and when attending school-related sports and activities.
I personally was so grateful and thankful that we finally had the district following the science. Unfortunately, the mask mandate went in about a day or two too late for my family because my oldest son likely contracted COVID-19 from school. I wish that had been in place from the start, especially when they came back to school in January.
In a statement, the attorney representing the school district tells Fox 2 that Superintendent Roberts discussed the temporary mask mandate with the Board of Education at a public meeting on January 10th. No board members formally objected to that mandate. The superintendent's decision was within the authority granted to him by the board through its policies. Those who support the lawsuit say parents and only parents should have authority over their kids.
We are the decision makers of our children. We should be able to make decisions for our children and not allow the school districts to do it.
In Southfield, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.